Carolina students will have to mask up on their way to and from school. The State Department of Education says face coverings will be required on school buses starting Monday. Wake Up Charlotte's Kendall Morris joins us now live. And Kendall, we should say, schools still not allowed to mandate masks in South Carolina, but the buses, that's a different situation.
Yeah, Ben, we are starting to see the COVID-19 cases spike among young people in South Carolina school districts in our area. This latest move made by the State Department of Education because officials say that more protective measures are needed.
Good morning.
Students in South Carolina told they need to mask up on the bus ride to school.
Our team has mobilized on the directive, and they are working diligently to get masks into buses.
It comes as local districts see COVID-19 rapidly spread to students and staff at the beginning of the school year. Rock Hill schools reporting 235 students positive. Fort Mill is at 166. And Lancaster County is up to 109. Thousands more students forced to quarantine due to possible exposure. It's why the South Carolina Department of Education sent this letter saying it will now enforce the federal law requiring masks on school buses.
The more children you have in a more crowded space, the more risk of transmission.
Every student getting on a state-owned and operated school bus will now be required to wear a face covering. Bus drivers will have a supply of masks to offer students who board without a face covering. But the consequences of not following the rules are unclear.
We can't deny a student transportation.
The State Department of Education saying it's making the change to keep schools open. Local school districts asking for patience as the new rule takes effect.
This is a crazy time for all of us. Emotions are high, and all we can really do is ask everyone to practice a little bit more kindness with everyone they come across.
So as students here in South Carolina head off to school this morning, it will be the last day that they can board a school bus here without a face covering. The new rule goes into effect on Monday. Live in Fort Mill, Kendall Morris, WCNC Charlotte.